Yun. What's up, man? Merry Christmas from the airport, ha? Saan ang biyahe natin? Singapore, oh. Makaula. Ah. Camera operator yan ng ano eh. Multiple prod houses. Ay. Secret pala. We're in Macau, guys. One more trip for 2024. My cousin's gonna pick me up. So, look for him. I see him. I see him already. Is my cousin right here. The boxer. What's up, what's up?
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
You don't even have a luggage with you.
Yeah, that's all I need. I'm only here for like 2 days, technically. Bougie.
Amoy pa pizza.
Social ng taxi ko. Nagtatagalog, guys. Sa Macau ako ngayon.
Oh,
believe
she's
it or not.
half Filipina. Half
Oh.
Filipina, half Brazilian. So she can
Brazilian.
understand. She can also understand Tagalog and speak a little bit.
Oy! Guys, may sunroof siya. Moonroof na pala kasi gabi na eh. Pero wala namang makita eh. Cloudy eh. It's been a long time since, the last time I went here, so. I haven't seen the Londoner, I haven't seen...
Oh, you haven't seen this?
There's a lot of new things na eh.
It's gonna be an NBA game here next year.
It's Big Me. Get it? It's Big Me right there. Big Ben kasi. Ano ba yan? Kala ko you got it. Kailan may NBA game? Kailan?
Next year, I'm not sure when.
October pa naman, layo pa. Don't worry. I'll probably be here.
Merry Christmas,
Surprise! What's up? What's up? And you are? Okay, I understand.
Uy, sana all.
We are at, what do you call this place? I'll put it down there, just I'll type it there.
Can I be the, put it here.
Alright, grand something. Nandito sila, tita.
This is the room. My vlogger.
Hello po. Hello.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
My pizza.
Here's everyone. Getting ready. Who's here? So busy. So busy. Tina. Got everyone here. What's up, man?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, we have a balcony. Can't see much. It's dark. Ooh. I don't know if you can see this, guys, but ooh. We have a balcony here. Look at that. Ooh. And then on the other side, you can see the ocean and the pool. Happy birthday to you.
I messed up the candle like 5 times.
Yeah. We're gonna party in a few hours. party. Lalakad kami, naghanap kami ng siomai. It's 7 AM, tapos gumimik kagabi. Bigla ang gimmick. Patay tayo dyan. Quiet lang, quiet lang. Meron dito masarap na siomai yan eh. Hindi ko maalala kung saan, pero alam ko dito lang yun eh. Looks familiar though. Looks familiar, baka yun. Pero konti lakad pa. Medyo maganda naman dito eh. Malamig. So, sakto lang. Setting up my mic. Nilalagyan nila ng DJI for the recording, no? Should be ready.
Clip 1. I'm taking videos for him. I'm not getting paid. Hi, doggo.
Ano ba yan? Hindi marunong yung cameraman. The band. This is the band. They'll be playing tonight. We are about to start our program. Let us introduce ourselves. I am Benji. I am one of the cousins.
Hi, my name is Tatiana or Ina. I am the eldest sister of CJ.
Welcome everybody, and thank you so much for taking your time out today to be here with us after Christmas Day.
Exactly.
Yung iba sa atin, sinong galing pang Pinas? I heard meron ding galing US.
Yes.
Alright, hello.
Everyone, please welcome Christine Jewel.
Give her a round of applause, everybody. Christine Jewel.
What does I start with? I will be opening my presents, my 18th birthday. Oh! I'm gonna put this.
Whoa. Cool.
Mom! Seriously, yan. Apo, what?
Mabango.
Birthday gift? I quoted Bible verses. So when
Right?
Uy, black! Firework!
2,000 years later.
Yay, that's it.
Merry Christmas.
Last day here in Macau. Ayun, tapos na yung hosting gig natin kagabi. Shout out CJ, happy birthday ulit sa'yo. Last dinner natin dito before we head to the airport. Kanina umaga nag-breakfast kami sa Wafong, isa sa mga favorite kong restaurant dito sa Macau. Sobrang tagal na since the last time I was here. Tapos yun talaga yung isa sa mga restaurants na alam kong babalikan ko. And nag-renovate na sila, iba na itsura, but still, good food. Favorite ko dun yung siomai, salt and pepper squid, beef hofan. Sa ngayon, for my dinner, meron tayong lechong Macau. Tomorrow naman, will be in Cebu. Tapos doon kakain naman tayo ng lechong Cebu. So, kumuha na ako ng food kasi andun sila lahat sa loob dito. Lechon Macau. Guys, subukan natin to. Solid. Sobrang crispy ng balat. Sobrang malasa yung meat. Bigyan natin ulit si JR. No? Lechong Macau. Ito meron din tayong salt and pepper tofu. Subukan natin. Salt and pepper squid. Can't go wrong. Yung siomai nila. Wafong siomai. Here we go. So maya punta tayong airport. Uwi muna sa bahay saglit. Kuha ng gamit. Balik na naman tayo sa airport. I'll see you guys in Cebu. Doon naman we'll attend the wedding of my cousin.